Well, the Women in Agribusiness Summit takes place in Denver this September, bringing executive coach and business management consultant Kay Kuenker to share her interactive workshop with more than 600 attendees. She now joins us for an update. Kay, thanks for taking the time to chat. You've been involved in the program. Tell us a little bit about your interaction with it.
Ag. First of all, can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I've been involved with the Women in Ag group for about 5 years now, and in two different ways. One, participating as a member of the advisory board and also attending their annual summits. So and as speaker and a participant in the summits. So I've had a great opportunity to do that over the last 5 years, and that brings a lot of benefits both to me for networking as well as to grow professionally and personally.
Now, I understand that you're going to present a leadership workshop. Can you tell us a little bit about the workshops that you put forth?
Sure. Starting at 8:30 on September 24th, which is day one of the Women in Ag Summit, I'll co-facilitate a 3.5-hour leadership development workshop with my business colleague, Jacquie. The workshop is really based on a 3-day course called Frontline Leadership 2 that Jacquie and I have been conducting at various companies in Calgary, Alberta, which is where she lives, for the last couple years. The feedback's been excellent, whereby attendees glean insights into their own leadership tendencies and how to continue to improve as leaders. So the workshop that we're conducting at the Women in Ag Summit is really a subset of that 3-day Frontline Leadership 2 course. It's really geared toward leaders who are relatively new in their leadership roles, either first or second level leaders, and but there are nuggets in the material for every leader, or even those that are transitioning into a leadership role. We will focus a lot on things like self-awareness. How do you show up as a leader? Noticing your trigger points that might get you off kilter, and ways to manage those for the greatest positive influence on those around you. We'll touch on motivators, our own and those of others, to achieve results. And we'll also touch on topics that unfortunately are common for many women leaders, such as gaining confidence and communication effectiveness.
Okay.
The workshop.
If folks wanted to learn more information on the workshops and also, of course, on the event itself, where could they find that information?
You bet. They can learn more about the summit and the leadership workshop if they go to the website womeninag.com and look at the full agenda. In the agenda, there's also a short description of the leadership workshop. And in the June issue of the journal, the Women in Ag, which is published by HighQuest Group, what they can find at highquestgroup.com,
All right.
That will have an article with additional information.
All right, Kay, thank you very much for joining us. Again, business management consultant Kay Kuenker on the phone with us this morning from Indianapolis.